Okay, Madeline, here we are at Mercy Park. Ready to go fishing?
Yep.
What's your plan for today? What was your plan for today? What were you planning on catching today?
That orange giant fish.
There's a big old carp in the water, huh?
Yeah, and now I'm gonna take a picture
Okay, here we go. You want to try over here by the tall grass? Looks promising. Let's set up right here, okay? And we'll work our way over. You want a little weight on there? Okay. Okay, go for it. What do you think, Liddy? What do you think, Liddy? Are you ready to go fish? Fish! Go around. There you go. Good job. All right, you want to get it off the hook? That's pretty. All right, go ahead and stop moving it. Gotta be careful. You gotta push those fins back so that way they don't poke you. And then you gotta pop that through. Okay, pop it. You can grab its bottom lip, it's not gonna hurt. That's pretty in there pretty deep, huh? There you go. Now push it out. Wiggle it. Got it.
I know its teeth.
Yeah.
And it ate the whole worm too.
Good job.
Let's throw it right by this.
All right, let's put it back in there. Bye, fish. Bye.
Oh, it's going to go far.
Yeah, good job.
I thought it was just a yellow belly.
Look how big those carp are. There's one. All right, let's put a better worm on then. Let's put a better worm on. I know, they're not biting. They're just a big family. Yeah. We found them, but they're definitely not hungry. I know you want to catch one so bad. That looks like that's a baby. She caught another one. What's this?
You'll give me my gloves so I can hold it by the mouth.
Oh, I didn't bring them. It's okay, it's deep. I'll get it. Here, you hold this. You wanna go? So it just got it on the top of the mouth. So you just have to bend the hook the opposite direction so you can just kind of pop it out. See? What you got? What you got? Reel it, reel it, reel it. Holy cow! Woo! Look at that. Look at that bass. Oh man, that's a beaut. Yeah, you want to weigh it, Alan? Let's weigh it. That's pretty good. It's flipping and flopping. Good job. Mercy Park. Ah! There it goes. Ugh. Well, it broke my line. Took my hook. So, and there's movement everywhere, but of course we're out of hooks. Well, she's got the last one, so we are gonna see what she can reel in. Call it a morning. All right, well, that was a lovely morning. Thank you, Lord. Up here is where Mercy Hospital used to be here in Joplin, and then the tornado took it down. And so they just built a memorial and a park, and it's real nice. Come out and check it out when you get a chance.
McNeal Family Fishing.